Hey, what's going on guys, it's Shivam here. So first of all, how's the new setup? What you guys think about it? Let me know in the comments down below. But today's video is about the Honor Band 5 which I have right here. This is just launched, actually it's launched today. It's 8 August 2019. So as of today, this is launched in India and I am really excited to check it out because I was really impressed with the Honor Band 4 and now we have the Honor Band 5 with SpO2 recognition with oxygen level detection in your blood and all those fancy stuff. And I recently got the Mi Band 4 which I wasn't really impressed with, but I have high hopes for this one, the Honor Band 5. So let's just go through a quick unboxing and then we will go through the whole setup process, and after a week usage I will post my review. So make sure you subscribe to the channel and turn on notification. But without further ado, let's get into it. So here is the ugly packet in which the Honor Band 5 is, but this is not very interesting to see, so let's just quickly unbox this and take the retail packaging out. So here is the retail packaging of the Honor Band 5, but as we are in the process of unboxing this, so let's just also remove this ugly plastic sheet away. So here is the retail box of the Honor Band 5, and as you can see, this is something that it should supposed to look, and on the top it says Honor Band 5. No, I don't know how to read Chinese, but for your kind information, this came from AliExpress, but this is launched in India today. So if you want to check out, you can check out from the links down below in the description, as I posted the Flipkart link and all the links. This is where this is available in the description, so you can check that out. And the Indian unit and the Chinese unit is almost same. This is all in Chinese and the Indian one should be in English, but rest of the unboxing experience would be the same. So let's move further and see what else do we have. Here you can scan the QR code for the downloading the application, and on the back we have some specification like the AMOLED touchscreen display, which is good, 24-hour heart rate monitor, sleep detection, 58 AM water resistant, steps counting, messaging display, and 14 days of battery life. This also comes in NFC version only in China, but here you can only get this without the NFC version. And that's pretty much it for the readings of the box. And now let's just quickly unbox this. So here is the Honor Band 5, as you can see, but we have whole video to admire this. So let's just see what else do we have in the box. So inside the box we have a charging dock and a micro USB cable. And one more important thing in the box is the user manual. Most of this is in Chinese, so we won't get it. So we don't need this, I guess. But I ordered this in bundle with extra screen guard and extra strap. So let's check that out. So here's the extra strap for the Honor Band 5. So that's pretty neat. And I have 5 extra scratch guard with this bundle also. So that's pretty much it for the unboxing, and now let's just set this thing up and see how it goes. So for the setup process, first of all you need to turn on the Honor Band 5. So it's turned on now, and all we need to do is just scan this QR code, or we can just go to Play Store and download the app itself. So let's do it. So you need to download this Huawei Health app. So as this is being downloaded, let's remove this dock and keep this to the side. So after downloading the app, just open it up. So after the app fires up, you need to grant some permission like location access, Bluetooth access. So let's do that first. So now you need to go to this add button to pair the Honor Band 5, and then just select the smart band from here, and now it is updating the list. And then just select the Honor Band 5 and then tap on pair and enable the location access. Now here is the Honor Band 5, and you have to press this tick on the Honor Band 5 to confirm, and that's it. Press on continue, and you can enable notifications for all the apps and just grant the access here. Tap on done, and the Honor Band 5 is connected. As you can see, we have 85% of battery life as of now, and you can play with the setting here like continuous heart rate detection, like 24/7 heart rate detection, or alarms, do not disturb, notifications, and weather report, and all these fancy stuff you can play it. But as a first impression, I'm pretty impressed with this band. It's pretty similar to the Honor Band 4, but we have the oxygen level, blood detection, all that fancy stuff in this band. And as comparing with the Mi Band 4, as you can see, the first difference is the display itself. As you can see, it is insanely bright than the Mi Band 4. While I was using the Mi Band 4 in the past week, I had difficulties when using this in bright sunlight, but I don't think I will have this issue with this Honor Band 5. And for the initial impression, I would say the Honor Band 5 might be the ultimate health band that you can get right now. And we will test this out in the future, full review, full in-depth review, you can say, all the fancy stuff of saying the review of the Honor Band 5. So I will post it on the channel in the next week, so make sure you subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications. But that's it for today, guys. That was the unboxing of the Honor Band 5 and the setup process. And hope you guys liked this video, and if you did, just click the like button below, share this video with your friends, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't yet. And I'll catch you guys in the next one.